playing hockey with it. Eat the tomato. His face was so funny.
I think when he bites into it, it's soft. He doesn't know what to do. He doesn't know what to make of it.
When he's at home in the living room, he'll roll on it, like hit the bacon strips.
Yeah.
He'll roll on it, rub into it, push off the side of the couch.
He bit into it, so now he knows. I'm not sure he likes that. You could just see him with the green one, though.
Eat it, Stitch.
Good boy. He just done it.
It's like playing hockey with it. Get it, Stitch.
Bring it back. Come on. Good boy. Get it. Get it. Get it, Stitch. Get it.